The first thing I wanted to do, though, is continue on the thread of what's an EEP or an EXP, and how does Microsoft Viva fit in with that? There are 9 primary modules, and what you're seeing here is, well, there's kind of 8 that you're counting if you're counting along, but there's a 9th, is that Viva Connections. Microsoft sees this as 4 primary pillars. 5 pillars. No, it's 4, but I'll get to the 5th one in a second. The way that they're marketing this is around, and the way their messages is around connections, insights, purpose, and growth. So these are the sort of 4 pillars that all of us work through with our general work life. It is bound together currently by Viva Connections. I think Viva is very similar. So Viva is this great idea that came out of this idea of the employee experience platform. Again, only really introduced in 2019. Microsoft comes out with this in 2020 with lockdown components, and they realized, wow, we really need to pull this together. And it has evolved very, very fast. And so what used to be 4 modules, then it came 6, and now we really see as 9. And by all means, this is not the endpoint. I'm sure there will be more. In fact, I already talked about Viva Home, which we don't know too much about. And some of this isn't fully baked yet and fully out yet. Some of it has different timelines. Some of it you can do today, etc. So I expect to see more things, particularly around the role-based components, as well as I wouldn't be surprised if some of these flat out evolve heavily. And I can't give you specific insights other than digital work tools evolve all the time.